Hi everyone, this is Shweta Sharma, the nutritionist. Why do we actually need a nutritionist? A very important question. A person will need a nutritionist when he or she will have a need for a weight loss, right? So now need for a weight loss comes for a person when the person he or she come across any medical condition or any kind of fat is visible on his or her body, not before that. So the awareness comes when a person is, pointed out for that extra fat in his or her body. So once he becomes aware of the weight loss, need for a weight loss, firstly, that person will do is starts searching on the net rather than approaching a doctor or a nutritionist. So when the person searches on the internet, firstly, that person will keep unrealistic goals for him. In a very short span of time, the person would want to reduce his weight and inches. So it is very important for that person to know that weight gain is very easy, but weight loss is not that easy. And very important is weight loss should be a slow and gradual process. It should not be done in a very fast process because the moment he or she would want to reduce his or her weight fast, then it is regained back in a very short time. So when the person will start keeping unrealistic goals, he will start searching on the net for the quick weight loss program, searching for the fat diet like fat free diet, low carbs diet, no carbs diet, high protein diet. So these are the diets which will not really help to lose his weight as well as inches healthily. So in the beginning, definitely yes, the weight loss will happen drastically because the body will, because when the body is overloaded with say 2500 calories or 3000 calories, and when that person start following a very strict diet like a 1500 calorie or 1000 calorie, definitely the body will show that drastic weight loss in the beginning. So the person may really feel that, yes, he's on a right track basically. But at the same time, if the person is unaware that his body is going into the starvation mode. He will also invite hunger pangs, like which he will start avoiding it, not realizing that his body is actually starving. So ultimately, in a very short span of time, like say 1 kg, if he has kept a target of losing say 7 to 8 kgs in a month, definitely that is going to happen. But yes, with that, water losses will occur, muscle losses will occur, and the person will see the result only on the weight side, not on the inches side. So this is actually an unhealthy way of losing weight. you know. The person will also start inviting those metabolic disorders like diabetes, high blood pressure, thyroid. It is a most common metabolic disorder nowadays. So sustaining of that lost weight will become difficult for that person because at one moment he is actually losing water and actually losing his weight in the form of water loss and muscle loss, but at the same time he is occurring with lot many deficiencies also. So now the person reaches a target of 7 to 8 kgs in a month. He may feel that yes, I have achieved my goal. Now let me get back to my normal diet because uh, the person will may never follow that strict diet for a longer duration, not throughout his life. So that person will stop dieting and come back to his normal diet. Now what happens is because he has lost that important muscle, and muscle is a very muscle is metabolically active in the body. So it actually the muscle actually helps to maintain that metabolic rate in the body, the rate at which the body burns calories. Now, if he comes back to his original diet, definitely because of his low metabolism, because he's played with the metabolism, because his metabolism has become sluggish, so he will start gaining his weight drastically. And then he may blame that, because of dieting, he has come across to such an extent that he started gaining his weight again, and very drastically, like, maybe more than the original weight what he used to be. So then the weight gain happens, and then again again the unrealistic goal he starts putting in, like, if he wants to attend a wedding or a party, then he will again keep an unrealistic target for himself, and again weight loss will happen drastically. So this drastic weight loss and weight gain will happen again and again and again, which he will not realize. So that is a weight loss gain and cycle where yo-yos in weight, we call it as yo-yos in weight, which is very unhealthy. So in the complete process, he is unaware that his metabolic rate has become sluggish, and he is actually playing with the metabolic rate. So the metabolism, which can be improved by healthy dieting and also introducing some kind of activity on daily basis, he is on a unhealthy weight loss program. Okay. So not only that, definitely deficiencies also start occurring. Like he may face with low hemoglobin levels and a lot of fatigueness because of that, and also the other metabolic disorders like sugar level and cholesterol, that also comes into an abnormality. Definitely after consulting with a doctor, after that, the doctor may tell him to go to a nutritionist, and then he would feel, definitely the dietitian will help him to lose his weight. Now, why do we actually need the nutritionist? Basically, every person's body is different, the requirements are different, you know, the metabolism is the metabolic rate is different. Then, depending on his or her activity, his or her natural metabolic rate, the dietary requirements vary from person to person. So basically, the nutritionist knows very well that, where that person can adjust the diet program, what can be included in the diet according to his medical condition, what can be excluded, when can, when the nutritionist well aware of, how to introduce, where to reintroduce those restricted foods. Also, depending upon the person's body, the person's metabolic rate, certain calculative customized diets are prepared by the nutritionist, which will be helpful to only that particular person. So on the internet, on the internet, definitely the diets are not customized. It is commonly given for that. So it is not according to that person's height and weight and current activity and the metabolic rate and the medical condition. So it will be given commonly, which may not help that person fully. So that is the reason why a nutritionist is very important for that person. Just as a teacher is important because he is knowledgeable in his subject, just as a doctor knows what kind of medicine will be helpful to relieve from that illness. Similarly, the nutritionist knows very well that where the person needs for that particular food is. Also, I feel that nutritionist is a good motivator, and she will definitely help that person to keep realistic targets. Like, say, definitely the realistic target, meaning, say you can keep a target of 4 to 5 kgs in a month, not more than that, because the person's capacity to lose healthily is 4 to 5 kgs. If it is more, then definitely there will be a water losses and muscle losses. Inch loss may not happen, only weight loss will happen, which is not a healthy way of losing weight. Okay, uh, ideal body weight. Now, according to the ideal body weight, the diet is given. The person is given a target of say losing 10 kgs in 3 months or so, which is quite a realistic target, and the diets are given on that on regular basis till the ideal body weight is achieved, and it is done only by the nutritionist. Also, now when the person gets a diet by the nutritionist, the diet is well adapted by the body in the initial days, and at one point of time definitely the body gets adapted to that particular diet pattern. So the body needs a change of a diet. It's very important because the body will reach a plateau stage where the person will not gain, nor neither gain nor lose his weight. So it will come to a standstill. So it is very important that your body should not get used to a particular diet program. So it has to change after a certain period, like say 10 days or 12 days or 15 days, but it has to change. Similar goes with the supplements also. Like if a particular supplement, like say calcium supplement, is given to a person, the gap can also be maintained in that. Like after every 3 months, the calcium supplement can be stopped and then restarted again. So this is a good way of good way where your body will show maximum effect of that medicine or a diet. So, in other terms, as I said, that how a doctor is well known of the medicines to be given in a particular illness, a nutritionist is a perfect advisor for right eating pattern of every individual.